Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Goodbudget account password. Keep watching the video till the end. To reset your Goodbudget account's password, firstly go ahead and launch open your Goodbudget application. The home page of Goodbudget application will appear on the screen. Click on Login option. Enter your household name or email address and tap on Forgot. Enter your email address associated with your Goodbudget's account and tap on Reset Password option. A reset link will be sent to your email address by Goodbudget. Open your email and click on the link sent by Goodbudget. On the next page, enter your new password and tap on Reset Password and Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can reset your password of Goodbudget's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.